Good morning, everyone. Here's the Nipissing Developmental screen for 6 months of age. As we've talked about before, the Nipissing District Developmental screen is used by families, child care minders, in a variety of ways, but it's always a way to check a child's development. When we're at home, especially during these times, we may not see a lot of other children, and we may wonder if our child's meeting developmental milestones. This is a really simple checklist, as we've said before, when we did the 1 month, the 2 month, and the 4 month, to see if your child's meeting these milestones. If there's not, if you're answering no to any of the questions and you have concerns, please follow up with your healthcare provider, maybe your pediatrician during a well baby visit, and just ask them about these things, because these are things that, i.e., normally all children would have developed by this stage. So by 6 months of age. So this could happen a little earlier, but by the time your child turns 6 months, do they swipe at and reach for objects within view? Do they turn their head and look in the direction of a new sound? Do they respond to their name? If you call Jennifer, do they look up? Do they smile and babble when given adult attention? So if you're playing with them, cooing at them, do they respond to you? Do they vocalize pleasure and displeasure? Squeal with excitement, yeah, or grunt with anger? Seem to respond to some words like daddy or bye-bye. They're not waving their hand, but they'll respond to the word bye-bye. Make sounds while you are talking to him or her. So you may be saying, Jennifer, how are you? Ah, they would be making noises. Can they roll from their back to their front? Can they push up on their hands when on their tummy? So like this example, can they push up and keep their chest up? Can they push up on, no, we've done that one, sorry. Can they sit with support? So if you put pillows around your child, can they stay steady for a few minutes? Can they roll from their back to their side? Can they use their hands to reach, grasp, bang, and splash? So, or in their water, would they be splashing the water? Can they bring hands or toy to their mouth? Do they have enough control to do this? Can they pat and pull at your hair, glasses, or face? This is the time when often you'll be holding your child and they'll be going like this, trying to pull off your glasses or holding onto your hair. And do they sleep and feed at regular times? So as we've said, these are things that all children will have reached if they've reached their milestones by 6 months of age. If you've answered no to any of these things, go and talk to your healthcare provider or your pediatrician and just ask them about this. And I'll post the information again, of course, because sometimes it's hard to get all of this. And you can also go on the website, www.ndds.ca, and you can view or download these developmental milestones and check again. Thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.